BODDAMN. In this video, I'm going to take you to the only lift access mountain bike downhill park in Texas. So that's what we're going to do today. Come along. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. And we are rigging up and about to get out of here to go to Spider Mountain here in Austin. Well, not in Austin, Texas, but an hour from Austin, Texas. It's a lot of fun, really cool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And we'll get back to the muscle building stuff and the nutrition and all that in another video. But for this video, it's more of an active based vlog. And yeah, we're about to get on the road. So we got all the gear in here, downhill pads, we got helmets. I can't forget the bike. Yeah, so I have two bikes that I could bring, right? So I have a 6-inch travel Enduro, I have a 5-inch travel Specialized stump jumper with a coil too. This is a whole coil setup. I personally think this one's the better bike to bring down there. So it's a little bit lighter, more snappy. This one's for like much bigger stuff. But Spider Mountain, I just find it to be more fun with this bike. So I'm gonna take this one with me today. I own like 3 helmets, so I have to make sure that this one is the right one. And it is, so cool. This one's gonna go. Also, my brother's coming with me, so he's getting some air in his tires. We always like to overinflate, so when we get there, we kind of see what the ground is like, and then we take air out if we need to. So yeah, he's riding.
I was probably at 15 last time.
15?
Yeah.
That's not good.
That's where I felt comfortable.
We only go for like 8 or 9 runs. I have a season pass, so at that point it might get to like 94 degrees, 95 at like the 9th run, so it just gets kind of hot. So we're gonna go knock it out, and we'll be there about 8:15 in the morning. It's beautiful out here. Check this out. All right, we just arrived at Spider Mountain. Brother's gonna go back there, and you go to that little kiosk over there and you get a kind of band. Season pass holders have a little lanyard thing. But yeah, we're chilling here and about to get up there. Parking lot's getting filled up pretty quickly, and the lift is running. I don't know if you can see that in the background, but yeah. I'm gonna get you guys on the trail with this GoPro. Definitely want to wear pads while you're here. So important. So one of the things we're going to do today is we're going to do a bunch of blue trails. Might get into a black or something like that, but we find that the blues are a lot of fun here. So we'll show you most of those blues. Do a warm-up lap or two, and then we'll really start pushing it a little bit. But it's just a lot of fun. If you're out here, I think it's $50 for a lift ticket, and have the greatest time ever. It's really cool. Now in the fall, when the weather's not so crazy, come out here, get to like 9 runs, go back to the car, eat with all your friends, drink, whatever, and then go back out for like another 5 or 10 runs, something like that. So yeah, when the fall comes, it's really fun out here. But there's a lot more crowds too. This thing's called a Buckshot by Outdoor Tech. It's a really good speaker. I ride with this thing all the time, and plus it's really cool. Put it in your pocket and up the lift you go, and you listen to really rad music. So, all right. We're gonna switch to the GoPro and start getting up this lift. So we're sitting here on the lift. It's a lot of fun. Bikes are ahead of us right there. And you can see behind us is where we started from. Ready to shred today?
Yeah.
This guy looks like
we'll start on like run 3. We'll start shredding.
You look like a vampire.
Do I?
Yes. They're building all these other lines down Spider Mountain, and I think there are 5 entrances up top that lead to maybe 9 to 12 mid entrances into like 9 to 12 different trails, and then at the bottom there's a little bit more exits too, or something like that. So that's what Spider Mountain's all about. It starts with a tight little hub, and then you can kind of pick your way down as you go down. So if you want like an easier way down from the midpoint, you could get that. But yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of blue random runs today, maybe a black at some point. And I got another friend meeting up with us. We're fully geared out, as you can see. We got the pads on, yeah, I mean, all the way through. And this is a convertible helmet that I can, make not a full face, but here, yeah, I definitely want to have a full face helmet because I've had some very close calls at this place. I have no idea if my tires will be good or not today, air pressure, but all right. So yeah, that was an okay run. Cased a couple things, but ultimately I'm just testing out the air pressures, making sure it grabs right. The next one's gonna be tarantula. This is actually a really cool wood feature trail. A lot of wood features. If you take it slow, it's not too hard. But yeah, that's the next stop. So when you go from trail to trail, sometimes there's these catwalk type things where you have to ride just a little bit, tiny bit, but then you get to the other parts, so pretty cool. All right, here's tarantula. So I'll try to take it easy if I can. I think we are ready. Take the jump line again. Keep practicing it, man. All right, we're gonna finish it off with Venom. Venom's the one with the 3 low slung but decent sized jumps at the end, but they keep you low on the ground. They don't put you in the air really hard, so. This part can get tricky for a lot of people, the rock garden. Just go high, grab your rear brake, steer, and through you go. Pretty easy. So you got 3 big jumps. Not too bad. You get this guy right here, then you get this one right here, and then there's this guy right here. All right. Right arc. All right, now we're gonna do that same jump line you saw in the beginning, except we're gonna do like a little micro jump line in the middle. Instead of doing that wood feature trail, we're gonna do a different trail, and we'll do a different trail to the bottom too. So same jump line up top, but everything different in the midpoint. All right, now we're in the midpoint. We're gonna take Recluse down, which is this one. This is like a newer jump line that got built.
Didn't make that one. Still trying to put this one together. This is probably my 5th time on it ever. The jump at the end is pretty awesome though. What's up? Nice jump. Thanks, man. Ready, Emerson? All right, now we're going down Viper's Den. This one's really fast. You gotta be careful on it, but so fun. It starts getting really quick. Nice catch berm over there. Definitely use that catch berm. It kills your speed a little bit to get to this section. We got a little rock garden right here. What's up? Okay, my brother's taking some air out of his front tire. Okay, let's go. Rock garden right here. Mini kind of ledge drop, like super small, if you know where to find it. Rock garden, very easy. Then we have a little ledge drop right here that you can hit if you know about it, like that. And then it just gets really fast through here. A lot of fun. Take your time if you haven't done it before, but it's a lot of fun. Little hit here. Boom. All right, so I just got done with that run, and I heard Caden over here. What'd you say, man? What was the first thing you said?
I forgot his helmet.
No, you said something before that.
You said what's up. Oh, what's
No,
up?
before that.
Oh, what's up, BODDAMN?
Exactly. You're like the first person that's actually yelled at the channel in public.
So Spider Mountain's a lot of fun. Clearly on this video you can see that we are just having a blast. Apparently, if it's not COVID or anything related, you can actually camp out here, which makes it even more of a proposition because you can wake up the next morning and start riding again. Spider Mountain is located about an hour away from Austin, and it's just a lot of fun. As you can see on these videos, we're hitting just the blue trails, and they're fun enough to progress on. So whether you are a beginner or you're an intermediate, I really do feel as if Spider Mountain has something for you. And it's a huge, awesome atmosphere as well. There are kids there, there are parents, you know, every walks of life is down there, and they're just having a fun time shredding. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. See you later.